Okay, good morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the last topic in this chapter. The chapter name is the friction. So the topic name, final topic name is the what are the forces are acting on the moving a body on the floor. On the floor. Okay, now what is the last topic name? What are the forces are acting on the moving a body on the floor? And first of all, we'll draw the one picture. It is a one book, okay, one body. So the downward direction, weight or gravitational force is acting, and upward direction, normal force is acting. Normal force or reaction force. And one side apply the frictional force, and another side applied force. The body is moving on the object. Okay, now these are the completely picture. Okay, now so here only we take the two direction. First one is along the vertically direction. It is a vertically direction. Vertically direction. So first of all, along the vertically direction. So vertical direction, there are two forces are acting. First one is a W. The weight is acting on the downward direction. Weight and gravitational force is acting on the vertically downward direction. Gravitational force is acting on the vertically downward direction. Next, normal force is acting on the vertically upper side. Normal force is acting on the body vertically upside. Upside direction. Vertically upside direction. So next, the normal force. So vertically how many force are acting? Normal force and reaction force vertically acting on the upper side. As there is no change in the speed of the body. As there is no change in the speed of the body. Okay, now so there is no change on speed of the body. So we are finding the net force. Net force is equal to W minus N is equal to 0. So W is equal to N. Here weight is equal to the normal force. Here weight is equal to the normal force. So what is the today topic name? What are the forces are acting on the moving our body on the floor? Okay, now first of all we take the vertical direction. The weight or gravitational forces are acting on the vertically downward direction, and the normal force is acting on the vertically upward side direction. Here there is no change in the speed of the body. Now only we find the net force. Net force is equal to weight minus normal force, that is equal to 0. Here weight is equal to the normal. Next, along with the horizontal direction, how many forces are acting on the floor? Along the horizontally, how many forces acting on the floor? How many forces are acting on the horizontal direction? First of all, frictional force is acting on horizontally one side. Next, applied force is also acting on the one side. Totally two forces are acting on the body. One is the frictional force and applied force. Okay, now frictional force and applied force. So first of all, what is the definition of the force is applied by the floor. The force is applied on the floor on the body is called for the frictional force. What is the definition of frictional force? The force is applied on the floor. Okay, the force applied on the body on the floor. It is called for the frictional force. So today we are discussing about the one more topic in the lesson name friction. The topic name is the what are the forces are acting on the moving a body on the floor. Okay na. So first of all, draw the picture. Downward direction weight or gravitational force is acting, and upward direction normal force is acting. One side frictional force and other side normal applied force is acting. Okay now, here we take the two directions. First, along with the vertical direction weight is downward direction acting. Gravitational force is acting on the downward direction. Next, normal force is acting on the upper side. Okay now, next we will find the net force. Net force is equal to weight W minus N. W means weight, N means normal force is equal to 0. W is equal to N equal. Next, along with the horizontal direction, how many forces are acting? One side frictional force and other side normal applied force is acting. Okay now, the force is applied on the floor on the object is called for the frictional force. What is the definition of the frictional force? The force is applied on the floor on the body is called for the frictional force. These are the today topic. So finally, in this topic, this chapter, we are learning about the so many objectives. First of all, definition of the friction. Again, the friction is divided into 4 categories. First one is the static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and drag friction. Okay now, next, how do you reduce the friction methods? Polishing one method, ball bearings, lubricants, streamlining. These are the very very important topic. Next, how do you draw the picture on one inclined plane? Next, examples of the each friction. Definition of example. Next, sliding friction definition examples. And we are doing the number of activities. In the chapter. Okay now. Finally, this chapter is final. Today we complete that. The chapter name is the friction. We are learning the so many objectives. Friction definition, types of frictions, how to reduce the frictions methods, and what is the definition of the pressure, what is the definition of the drag definition, and examples of each friction definitions, and activities. We are doing the number of the activities we are doing learning. So these are the final we are discussing about. Understanding all numbers? Okay now. Thank you.